one income stream can disappear overnight, but multiple streams of income gives you that financial security and freedom. Think about it as your safety net and launchpad for living your dream life, right? How about having money that you don't have to worry about anything? You have money coming in even when you're sleeping so that you have options. So if something goes wrong with your full-time job, you know that you don't have to go into a panic frenzy because you have other streams of income coming in. Now let's look at how we can create these passive streams of income with these simple steps. Now today, I'll be tackling a topic for all my busy, hardworking women out there. How to create multiple streams of income while working even a full-time job. Now, we've all heard it. Never rely on one stream of income. But how do we juggle it all while managing a full-time job? Now, stay tuned because I will be breaking it down into simple, actionable steps that even you can handle even with your full-time schedule. Let's jump right into it. Explore the 3 categories of income streams that you can start today. And I'm going to show you how you can actually start. Let's take a look at the 3 different types of income stream. Number 1, active income. Now, this is like your 9-to-5 job, which you're trading time for money. Active. This is a consistent income that is coming in. But anything can happen with this active income. They can lay you off your job, right? So you don't want that to happen without having a backup plan for this active income. The next source of income is your passive income streams. Now, these streams earn you money with minimal ongoing effort, which means you set them up once and you don't have to consistently put in that work. So you're not consistently trading time for money as you would in your active source of income like your 9-to-5 job. So I've done several videos of how you can start passive income streams. I will leave it right up here so you can go and check out different passive income ideas that you can start with your 9-to-5 job. The third type of income stream that you can start while working a full-time job is scalable income. Now, this is where the magic happens because with these types of income streams, they build upon each other. Now, this can include online courses. This can include starting a YouTube channel or even selling a signature coaching product. Now, let me know in the comment which one of these 3 types of income streams you are thinking of starting with your full-time job. Let me know in the comment. Let's talk about how you can start building up your multiple income streams today with your full-time job. Here's a simple roadmap to get you started. Now, number 1, you're going to audit your skills and your gifts and your expertise. Now, I've done a previous video on how you can find your purpose, your passion, and even how you can monetize it. So if you've watched those 2 videos and now you're ready to hit the ground running, ready to be financially independent in 2025, now this is where the magic starts happening. After you've assessed your gifts, your skills, your expertise, now you're going to identify a problem out there that you can solve with your passion, your purpose, or your gifts. So think about it. What do you have that people need from you so that you can charge them money to be getting a source of income from that service that you're going to offer? Now think about all the things out there on one piece of paper. Get out your pen and your paper. Let's go back to class 1 and class 2 videos that we did. So on one side of the paper, you're going to write down all your gifts, your skills, your passion. On the other side, you're going to write all the different problems that you see out there. What are people asking you for? What are you good at? What is selling in these market streets? If you're thinking about YouTube videos, what type of YouTube videos are trending now in your niche, in your passion, in your skills, in your gifting? Now you're going to find the sweet spot, which is the middle. What's your passion, gifts, and purpose, and what do people need? Now, in the middle, you'll find that one thing or that several, maybe it's 2, it's 3, it's 4, it's 5. So let's look at how not to confuse yourself. Number 2, you're going to set up one stream of income at a time. What did I say? Start one at a time. Allow that one stream of income to be scalable, where you are getting a significant, consistent amount of money per day, per week, per month, where you can say, you know what? This baby is okay. So now you can say, okay, this business is independent. It's at a level now where it doesn't need that nurturing. You know, like when you have a baby, you have a newborn baby, and you have to put in all that time and energy in breastfeeding, cleaning diapers, holding them because they're crying, right? And then they become a toddler, then a school age, and then teenagers. So wait for that stream of income to mature enough where it doesn't need you that consistent, that often, and you know that amount of energy and time before you go ahead and start another source of income. That's a pro tip for you. Remember, put it in your head. Number 3, you are going to leverage technology to help you to scale, to start this business, this side hustle, this income stream, whatever it is that you choose to do. There are several platforms out there. You have YouTube right here. You can learn, you can be here also to monetize, to share, to market, to promote your business, whatever you decide to do. There's TikTok, there's Instagram, there's Facebook, and you can even use online platforms like Shopify, like Teachable, right? So there are several different ways of how you can leverage other platforms to promote and market your business. And don't forget AI. I've done a video on how you can use ChatGPT. So whether you choose to do a digital course, an online course, ChatGPT can help you. If you're going to step into digital products using Canva and ChatGPT to create digital products, check out these videos. I've done several videos on how you can monetize getting additional income streams from your passion, gifts, and expertise. Now remember, you don't have to be perfect to get started. You just need to be consistent. Small baby steps will lead to actionable wins. So stop thinking about it. We're now at the end, approaching the end of 2024. You've had all these dreams and ideas in your head from the beginning, from January, and you haven't launched a YouTube channel. You haven't launched a side business. You haven't created the book, the ebook, the template, whatever it is that you wanted to do. It is sitting there in your journal, in your book, in your notebook. Why? Come on, it's 2025, so we're about to step into 2025. So promise me, you've not been watching all my videos throughout 2024 and just gathering up information. Promise yourself that you're going to take action for 2025. You are going to start. Drop that in the comment. I am going to start. Start now. Start today. Start before 2025. Write something about starting so that I know and I can hold you accountable to know that you're going to start an additional stream of income for 2025. Now, take my life experience for an example, right? In my other video where I share with you how I discovered my passion, my skills, and my gifting, that it is a journey and it's not just a haha moment. Oh, I found my purpose or my passion. Oh, this business is so glorious and glamorous. I'm getting money from it. These income streams takes time and it is a trial and error, right? Sometimes you think that you'll be getting a lot of money from different income streams and the time and effort you put in, it's not worth it. So say, for example, from my experience, I'm a full-time nurse. We're still working full-time and I've managed to create different streams of income throughout these past years, right? From one, I've had an apparel store where I started an empowerment branding. And I think that was my first like real side hustle before doing hair and all those other things before in the past. But I went ahead and I launched my store on Shopify. I started with a free trial. Didn't know what I was doing, what I was getting into, but I decided that I'm going to start a t-shirt business with drop shipping with Shopify. I started a 2 weeks trial and in 2 weeks, I launched a t-shirt business, right? Launched that. Then I went again and I wrote a book, What to Expect When Moving to Canada. That I started as an ebook and then now I have it on Amazon as a hard copy printable Kindle format also. So then that was another source of income. Then I decided that I enjoy teaching, mentorship, coaching. I invested in a coaching program, and then I became a certified life coach, which I'm still doing life and business coaching. So if you need any further one-to-one coaching, I will leave that link in the description below so you can go ahead and see which one works for you. Then after that, I decided that I didn't want to do nursing until I retire at 60. So I wanted to transition into another career. I was a mortgage agent. I didn't like that business. So then I went and I got my real estate license. So now I'm working part-time as a real estate agent. And what else am I doing right now? I'm doing YouTube. I discovered YouTube. I discovered my passion for YouTube, my passion for teaching, for guiding, and for helping you to find your passion and to help you to create your additional stream of income while working full time. And how did I do all of this, or how am I still doing all of this with a full-time job, with a family? I have 2 children, married with a husband, and I'm doing all this. How do I find the time? I decided that I want financial freedom and financial independence. I don't want the next 5 years to be still depending on one stream of income. Anything can happen to my job. And how I really started this, I remember a few years ago, an incident happened at work, nursing, and I was reported to the college, to the CNO, and I was like, what if like things went down and I was suspended or I was fired and I do not have another stream of income coming in? That's when the light bulb went out. Like, this is so risky having one stream of income. And that is really when I started doing some sole purpose and really looking into how I can create additional streams of income and not relying on my primary source of income, which is trading time for money, being a registered nurse. So this is how I started up all these other different streams of income. Now, as I said, don't try to do everything at once. Try to start off with one, let it be scalable, and then you can start the other one. For me, I think because I'm so multi-passionate and I'm so all over the place, don't don't do what I did. I'm telling you to do the right thing, because I should have at least waited before, moving from one stream to the next, right? So choose one stream of income, put all the effort and the energy in that one stream of income, let it mature, be able to be working on its own, then you go and start the other one up. Now, let me know in the comment, what are you thinking of starting up, so that I can go ahead and cheer you on. That's it for now, trendsetters. Let me know in the comment and if you are still having some mental block, go ahead and check out these videos here. I just did a series to help you with your mindset to get you over. Age is just a number. There's no perfect time to start. You have to start right now. So let me know in the comments below your side hustle. What are you thinking of doing, so that I can help you brainstorm so that you can get going for 2025. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and join the family of thriving women here, because we will be doing things in 2025. We will be creating multiple streams of income. So look out for the other video ideas, because I'm getting back into the finance. I'm getting back into financial independence, and I'm getting back into helping you to find the perfect stream of income. See you in my next video. Bye for now.